got my money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is not going up on my food channel, and I'll explain why in another video. But welcome back to my channel. My name's Adwoa. I love food, I love makeup, I love filming, so I decided to do another donut taste test video. So if you want to see my reaction to these donuts, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And at the end of the video, if you like the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Yeah. What inspired me making this video was this donut right here. This is called the Canada Day donut, or it's the Canada Day fireworks donut. So it dropped today, and it's a classic vanilla donut dipped in white fondant, and it's topped with red and white sprinkles, and then popping candy. And I think the popping candy is little like pink stuff. This donut was $1.59, and it's only here, and I think just for the long weekend, because Canada Day is on Monday. If you've seen that last video, you know how I feel about donuts. Not the biggest fan, but I got some to try. Ooh, it does pop. It just tastes like a regular donut. But I do like the popping candy. Let's see if my mic can pick up this popping sound. And then I got another donut to try because I've never had this. Holy, this is heavy. So this is a Boston cream. That's good. I completely understand the hype now. There's the filling. I like that the filling is not like super sweet. It's like a nice neutral flavor. Take one more bite. If you guys watch Nick Dompierre, you'll know what Team Big Bites is. And I'm gonna Team Big Bites my last bite. Just for now, I'm gonna finish all of these. I just don't want to get sugared out. Next, I'm going to try what used to be my favorite donut. I don't really eat donuts that often, and I think this is considered a cake donut. It's the sour cream glazed donut. I discovered my love for these when I had the Timbit. The Timbit for this is so good. That's what it looks like on the inside if you haven't ever had one. I completely forgot these came glazed. It's a sour cream glazed donut, and I forgot that they were glazed. Really? Oh, do you guys like my new setup? You can't really see the lights, but that's okay. Now on to some classics. This right here is the honey dipped donut. I have a feeling these taste just like the Krispy Kreme ones. There's definitely a sweet donut. Or sweet for me. So if I can get to like half of the donuts, I can have half later. Last is such a classic. This is the chocolate dip donut. So basically the new Canada Day one is like this donut, but instead of chocolate, it's vanilla. And then the Canada Day one has sprinkles and the popping candy. I'm really glad I didn't get any drinks because right now they have some new drinks. They have the new slushies. They brought back the creamy chills that they used to have a few years ago. And then they have the Oreo ice cap. I was going to try the Oreo baked stuff, but I just didn't have time to film the video, so that just didn't happen. But if they bring it back again next summer, I'll definitely try it. It is kind of cracked. I don't know if it's like gonna show up on camera. This donut is so good. I don't even like chocolate that much. Like, chocolate and we're like acquaintances. We're not friends, but like, you know. I love this donut though. I think I'm getting old because I can't handle all of the sugar. Like, after the third donut, I don't even remember which one I had third. I was getting that feeling where I'm like, yeah, girl, you need to stop. because you're having way too much sugar. You need to finish at least one donut. Get some ASMR action going. I'm definitely not a sweets person. My next mukbang / food video is definitely gonna be a food related video. Can you tell it's been a while since I filmed? My next food related video or mukbang is gonna be more savory because I can't do this. I'm bringing back true crime videos. I have like compiled like pages that I'm gonna research on this person, but I haven't like put it together or like taken notes yet. That's gonna happen soon, and I think I'm gonna put them up because the ones that I'm doing are serial killer based because I find those more interesting personally. So I think I'm gonna bring those once or twice a month. When school's in session, it's going to be once a month, most likely. But now that it's summer, it's going to be twice, maybe. It all depends, though. And then I think I'm going to bring back beauty videos. I will bring back like first impressions and things like that, too. I am going to have a makeup tutorial out. I filmed a look last night, and I think I still have some blending ability, so that's gonna happen. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave some... I'm just not gonna show my hands because they are so ashy. Wow!
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm so close to 400. I really want to hit 500 by the end of July, hopefully. So yeah, see you all in my next one. Bye guys. But yeah, give it a big